It's what's cooking, and I got a lot of stuff cooking actually. I'm a little overwhelmed by it all. So first of all, I made a Thai peanut sauce, and I ordered these little mason jars on Amazon. So now I've got like my Thai peanut sauce in here. So this is peanut butter, literally like Skippy peanut butter. This hoisin sauce. I made this a little bit earlier when my friend Joy and I were on Instagram Live. I have soy sauce in it, some of this crazy yummy red chili stuff that I never know how to pronounce, sesame oil, the light one, rice wine vinegar, and then I used my little emulsion blender and made this. So, okay, so I made that. And then because tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo, I don't know why I'm on this kind of like Vietnamese, Oriental, Asian kind of flair food because I'm kind of hungry for it. So I'll set the peanut sauce aside for a second because I also made a creamy Mexican salad dressing. So I used Greek yogurt, actually this kind from Trader Joe's. It's kind of liquidy. So I added cream cheese just because I didn't think it was thick enough, like a real thick Greek yogurt. Some key lime juice, some salsa, and then I added frozen garlic and frozen ginger from Trader Joe's. And I whipped it up also in this little doodad, and I put it in a mason jar. So I made both of these today. One is for tomorrow because we're gonna have some kind of Cinco de Mayo Mexican thing, and this is gonna be for today. So the other day I participated in Kitchens for Good. They do a really cool, every 2 weeks on a Thursday at 5:30, a virtual dinner party. And Chef Brian Malarkey from Top Chef and Urban Sea, Urban Wood, Would You, Anime, you know, the list goes on and on and on. He was the chef. And I was like, oh my God, how cool. We're like in his kitchen basically. So he was making spring rolls, like the fresh spring rolls, like, you know, with this kind of package. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna give this a try. So the other night I made pork ribs, and this is the leftover pork ribs off the bone. And then to that, I cooked a pork belly. Okay, let me show you. Oh my God, this looks so good. I'm trying to get it, look at that. All crispy and crusty and yummy, oh my God. So I'm trying to get it a little bit cooler. So I'm gonna shred that. I'm gonna add it to the pork that I made earlier. Oh, and I have my Cutco knife, and I had a really cool thing happen today. So Eric Gilman is the Cutco guru in San Diego, and I know I do not work for this company. I just love the product, but look what he safely delivered to my door today. Hang on, I gotta move all my stuff off of it. A special Cutco cutting board that I can use. So I'm going to make pork spring rolls. I am going to dice up some of this yummy cilantro. Smells delicious. Green onions. I thought I'd throw radishes in. Now I've never rolled a fresh spring roll in my entire life. So it may either be a nice rolled spring roll or it might be a big spring roll salad. Who knows? And I have some, washed lettuce. So when I saw Chef Brian Malarkey do this the other day, he said, okay, warm water, you stick them in and you just kind of can feel it. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna have to give that a whirl. Like 10 to 14 seconds until you kind of feel that it's soft. And then you lay it down and you just add a bunch of stuff to it. Right? Sounds pretty easy. And then I guess you would roll it up like you would a burrito. I'm not good at rolling a burrito, and I'm definitely not good at rolling a spring roll because I've never done it. So the intention is that I'm going to use, you know, like leftover pork from the pork ribs, this little pork belly, and then I'm gonna put all these little ingredients inside, roll them together, and then we've got this. I think it's pretty awesome. So, oh, I forgot to tell you, I did add ginger and garlic and a little bit of water. So to all those ingredients that I mentioned earlier, I also added that to it. So I'm gonna just, aren't these cool? I love these little mason jars. They make me feel like I'm really a cook. That, God forbid, if I start canning, somebody come and get the hook. I do not can. And I envy people who do. All right, I have to taste this. So let me just, this is a pork. My mouth is watering, I'm so hungry. Get a spoon, ouch. And let's see how it tastes. Maybe we'll just throw all this stuff in a bowl and eat it that way, instead of rolling it in those little special sassy rolls. What do you think? Oh my God, that was so juicy. I'm choking on it. And it's spicy. Wow, is that good? Okay, I might just eat the pork belly and the peanut sauce and not even tell anybody else. Philip just came back from a hike. He's upstairs showering. Shh, he won't even know. That's really good. And now I'm gonna taste it just with the pork, like the pork that I made the other day. I think it just won't be as juicy because of all the fat in the pork belly. Oh. It's not as good. I mean, it's just not as juicy and crispy, but it doesn't matter. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. It's what's cooking. Hope everybody out there is feeling good. You know, it's kind of weird. Like on Mondays, I feel really tired on Mondays for some reason. I think it's just because I didn't have a very relaxing day yesterday. I worked all day, which was awesome, and I love that. And we did client pop-bys and had fun with that. I do have to say our little pop-by tag is, so we did Cinco de Mayo pop-bys. I might have already told you guys this. If not, I'm gonna tell you again. Little Trader Joe margaritas, salsa from Trader Joe's, and chips, and then those little wooden things that I can't say correctly, that Philip has corrected me because I say it wrong. And then we wrote like a little note, and it said, let's taco about your referrals because we're nacho, average realtor. I mean, okay, cheesy, whatever, but we dropped them off safely at a few different past clients of ours, that people that we love. And Kellee, who is down in Florida, everybody look at my Facebook page because Kellee makes these amazing candles. They're beautiful, and she's got a Mother's Day special coming. And can you, Kellee, can you type what the name of your candle company is so people can order? I just ordered candles that are going to be delivered by Friday, and she's got gorgeous scents, you know, like lemon and citrus and jasmine and gardenia, sandalwood. So I think they're really great gifts, and Kellee is a fantastic small business owner, and I want you to type, Kellee, type the name of your candle business so people can order from you. And her packaging is stunning. Everything about it is just top notch and really, really good pricing. But it's so nice to get candles or give them as little gifts to people, and especially because Mother's Day is coming. And speaking of which, Chef Jen, and I posted this on my Facebook page as well, Chef Jen is doing a Mother's Day brunch on her, I guess it's gonna be live, and you can sign up and you can participate. So wouldn't that be a cool thing to do with your mom or one of your friends if you don't have your mom nearby? I think it'd be really cool. So Chef Jen is, I posted her site where you can just sign up and participate. And she's not charging, but there is a GoFundMe page for other chefs, and she's really good at supporting people. The other cool thing you can do with Chef Jen is she can actually do a Zoom to your pantry and kitchen and help you find different items to cook and create recipes. So that's yet just another one of our chefs that is being creative, stepping outside the box, and really could use love and support. Hey, Philip.
Yes.
Filippo, come and say hello. Filippo, tell everybody about your hike.
Hello.
How was your hike?
My hike was fine. It was warm.
Yeah?
Did about 4.9 miles.
Did you see any snakes?
About 92 stories.
Did you see snakes?
Nope, no snakes today. I did see a horny toad though.
Ugh. Are they big?
Wait, you're supposed to ask me how I know.
How do you, he's hilarious. He's so funny. But no snakes.
No snakes.
I can't believe that the other day when you saw snakes, everybody was like posting about it. Like they thought it was cool.
It is cool.
Not so cool.
It's not every day, especially when you see a red diamond rattlesnake. Those They're here, but they're not as common.
Hey, do you want to taste this? Because I did cheat on you a second ago, and I did taste this.
I thought I did taste it.
No, you did not.
Oh, not with the pork.
Yeah, it's pretty gosh darn good. Because we live in the same house, I'll just give it to him with my fingers. Hang on, wait.
Wait, are you wearing gloves?
I'm not wearing gloves. Here. Plus, nobody else is eating it but us.
Wow.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Is it tasty?
Tastes like Skippy.
Ah, right.
Tastes more like fresh peanuts.
All right, you suck.
That's good.
Okay, because I used Skippy to make it. Ha ha ha. That's only one of like 100 ingredients that are in this. But doesn't it look professional in this little mason jar?
Yeah, I like the mason jar.
I know.
Oh, we can use those for cocktails too.
Of course we can. Here, do you want? He's gonna probably put that on toast. Because I noticed that he bought bread. I don't know how he keeps
Right.
sneaking in this bread. And
I'm
I don't know.
sneaking in. I just put it in the garage.
But when do you make it? Like, where am I?
I don't. That's the problem. I end up in rots before
I'm like,
You're always here.
well, where else am I supposed to be?
You know, when you used to go out and get your nails or your hair done or something, that was the good sneak time.
Oh, see? He cheats.
That was the
He
chili
sneaks.
cheese dog time. But
Oh.
now I don't even have that.
Funny. All right, so anyway, if I do end up being successful rolling these little things, I promise I'll post photos. I'm kind of guessing that they'll be a hot flop, but whatever. The ingredients will taste good, right?
Except these onions.
Oh, Philip doesn't like these. I think they're so good. I grew up eating them like a carrot.
Oh, I think I did that as a kid with salt or something. But
Yeah, they're super good,
but
especially
maybe
if
that's
you,
why I don't like it now.
like dip them in butter and a little bit of salt. They're so good.
That was like mayonnaise. I used to like mayonnaise until I took an entire tablespoonful and ate it. And I've hated it ever since.
But why would you do that?
Because I liked it so much.
Ugh, gross.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Anyway, so tomorrow it's Cinco de Mayo. It's so weird. Like coming from where I come from in Ohio, we didn't even know what Cinco de Mayo was. It is seriously a California gig. Why?
It's the 5th of May to you.
It's, yeah, May 5th. But here it's like tacos and
Because
margaritas.
we've got a large
and-
Hispanic population.
yeah,
and
it's like a
that's
big,
why.
it's
Yeah.
a big deal. So tomorrow I'm gonna do some kind of shredded rotisserie chicken thing with this new yummy yogurt, cream cheese, lime juice, salsa, garlic, cilantro, and crushed red pepper. I think this is really good dressing. I'm digging it. So that's it. Everyone stay physically distant while staying socially connected virtually. Please be safe. Please be well. Support Kalala and her candles down in Florida. You're going to love them.
Beautiful candles.
And support our chef Jen and her cooking segment that she's going to do for brunch on Mother's Day on Sunday, which I think will be really cool. I'm going to do it. I can't wait. I think it'll be really fun to cook together. So everybody have a great night. Be safe. Get outside.